channel. This is Astha, and guys, today on my channel I have invited one of the guests. As you can see, we have Jaideep on our channel. He's one of our subscriber, and recently he got shortlisted for the position of system engineer with Infosys company. So guys, this purpose of making this video and sharing with you all is just that कि आप सभी को इससे motivation मिल सके, and you also get an idea. Being an electrical engineering branch, he belongs to electrical engineering, okay, and he cracked the IT company for system engineer role. तो आप सब भी इससे motivation ले सकते हैं, preparation कर सकते हैं. So please वीडियो को end तक जरूर देखना. बहुत ही valuable information हमें मिलने वाली है जयदीप से. So don't miss to watch this video. Okay, Jaideep, first of all, congratulations that you got shortlisted for the system engineer role. And guys, he is joining also. इसी month इनकी joining होने वाली है. सभी information Jaideep हमसे share करेंगे इस video में. Okay, so let's start with the video. Jaideep, please introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jaideep. I completed my graduation from LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. I passed out in electrical engineering in 2020 itself. I appeared for Infosys exam on 16th May. After that, within a week, I got a selection mail, that interview mail. So after that, I got shortlisted for interview, and after that, I appeared for that, and after that, I get selection mail.
Okay, great. So I just want to know कि means आपने online test की जो preparation थी वो आपने कैसे की, like उसके बारे में कुछ brief information आप दे सकें, कुछ preparation tips दे सकें?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was preparing for GATE. So for aptitude, I did not prepare anything separately.
Okay.
For aptitude, there are 5 sections. So in the Infosys exam, there are 5 sections.
Right.
So for 3 exams, 3 sections like verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, I did not prepare much.
Okay, because you were preparing for GATE examination.
Exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
Right.
So for that, I referred my notes and solved previous year questions of all the IT companies.
Okay.
And for the section of pseudocode and puzzle, I watched some YouTube lectures, which are very useful to me.
Okay. So what do you think that puzzles and pseudocode section was difficult for a non-CS candidate, or it was manageable, like easy one?
Yeah.
This difficulty level of questions कैसा रहा होगा?
It is quite moderate. I can say it is moderate. Yes.
Okay, great.
But with practice we can manage.
Okay. Chaliye, very nice. Then you got your mail for interviews.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So when your interview was conducted?
My interview was on 4th June. Yes, 4th June. And I got offer letter on 10th June. And my date of joining will be on 21st June.
Okay, so you're joining from 21st of June.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, great. Congratulations for that. So,
thank you so much.
Actually, I just want to know a few things from your side. See, as many of the candidates, they have written their examination for Infosys company on this, that is 13th of June. So they are waiting for their interview mails. So अगर कोई interview tips आप उनसे share कर सकें, and if you can share your interview questions, so that will be really great.
Yes.
Please share your questions with us.
First of all, they asked me about my background. Okay. So first of all they asked me, tell me about yourself. So I introduced my introduction part, like where I did my schooling, my education, and all that. After that, my family background I said. After that, they asked me. After that, I included my major projects and accomplishments, what I did in introduction part itself. Okay. So I think it benefited me. Yeah. Actually, in our project, my resume was very good. Like it is very strong. So in the project, we won some prize, accomplishments, all that. So I included it in introductory part as well. So I think it benefited me.
Okay, great. Actually, guys, आपने भी अगर मेरे preparation videos देखे हैं, I always used to tell you guys कि during your introduction part, during your introduction answer, you have to highlight all those things, the major projects, your skills, your achievements, so that the interviewer get an intention of what he has to ask you next. That is very important. So you all have to prepare that thing. Even Jaideep said this thing only, that in introduction section, introduction answer only, he mentioned his major project and his skills. So that really help him during the interviews. Okay, so next question, like if they ask you any technical questions based on your project?
Yes, ma'am. They asked me regarding my project. First of all, I explained what actually my working of my project and all that.
Mhm.
The project is of my core branch. So after that, they did not get deep into that.
Mhm.
So after that, they switched to their technical section, like C language and all that. So
Oh.
they asked me questions regarding that technical portion.
Have you mentioned anything in your resume related to C, C++, means programming languages?
I just only mentioned C language only because I know only C language. That's why.
Okay, fine. Then what are the questions, like they asked you any questions based on your HR questions, like why you want to join IT company, you have done your electrical engineering. They asked you something like that?
Yes. Yes, exactly. First of all, for technical domain, they asked me about data types of C.
Mhm.
First question. After that, OOPS concept,
Okay.
visualization.
Mhm.
After that, sorry, normalization. After that, they asked me regarding some concepts of C, like C programming and all that.
Okay,
They
means
first of all
all the
asked me
questions
that.
based on C and OOPS concepts.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Totally based on resume, I think.
Right. Because you mentioned C language in your resume, that's why they asked you all the questions based on around C only. Fine.
Coming to HR section, they asked me why you want to come into IT domain from
Okay.
you are belonging to non-IT background.
Right.
So I asked that actually my area of interest is machine learning and artificial intelligence. So I want to work in future in this domain also, and so that's why I answered to them in this way.
Okay. So in case if have you done any certification courses or something like that in machine learning? Because you tell me that you have interest in that. So have you
Yeah,
done
ma'am.
anything?
Actually, certifications I have not done any, but in Coursera I have done one course on Python language.
Okay. Fine.
And in future I will learn all these things, machine
Okay.
learning, artificial intelligence.
Right.
Yes.
Because you have interest, na? That's why I asked you. No problem.
Yes, exactly.
Great. So this was your interview questions. Okay. Anything else they asked you?
They asked me basics of Excel. How we can sum all these things in Excel.
Okay, they asked
I
you questions
mentioned
based on Excel, MS Excel.
yes, Excel.
Okay.
Excel.
Right.
Basic. These all are basic questions
Mhm.
that anyone can answer.
Okay.
After that, the interviewer was from EC background.
Mhm.
So I mentioned my area of interest of my core subjects like power system and
Okay.
control systems. So they
Mhm.
asked me one question based on that also.
Okay. Because he belonged to the same domain.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, great. Then how was your feeling? Like, how was your interview at that time?
Actually, after completion of my interview, I was so like मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत खराब गया है. मुझे I felt like the same. But after that, I talked with one of my friend. I discussed all the questions with him. Yes. After that, he said that you answered all the questions correctly, so no need to worry about that.
Right.
So after that, I waited for some days and I got interview results.
Selection.
After that, I yes, exactly. After that, I felt like yeah, it was good.
Okay.
And before interview,
Hmm.
I have prepared a mock interview with two of my friends that really benefited me. Yes.
Okay. That's true actually. If you're facing any interview for the first time with MNC company or any other company, if you practice it at your home, so that will really help you, that boost your confidence actually. So that's a
Yes,
really
exactly.
good thing that you did, and it's a good tip actually, guys. If you are preparing for the first time and you're attending any interview for the first time, just do practice at your home. जैसे जयदीप ने किया अपने friends के साथ, अपने sisters, brothers, आपको जो मिल जाए, आप उनके साथ एक बार practice कीजिए. That will really boost your confidence level actually. Right. So, any interview tips that you really want to give to all other candidates? especially non-CSIT branch candidates and your branch candidates like electrical branch?
First of all, in interview, you have to be self-confident, and your communication should be very good. So they are majorly focusing on your communication and the way you are speaking.
Right.
That is the most important thing I realized.
Really.
And for interview preparation, you can refer mock interviews in YouTube also. They will really benefit you. And you can prepare with your friend also. Like as I have said, I have prepared a mock interview with two of my friends. They are at a very good position, so that really benefited me.
Right. So great. These are the interview tips from Jaideep's side. So really, guys, do follow all these tips. This will really help you all. And I just want Jaideep, if you can share some resume tips with us, because you belong to electrical branch and you are applying for an IT company. So do you feel that we should mention something specific about जो कि attractive हो during the interviews, and that will help us? तो ऐसी कोई tip आप देना चाहेंगे?
First of all, actually, resume tips. I think my resume was very strong. So I like मैं यही suggest करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने जो मेजर चीजें की है वो फर्स्ट पेज पे हाईलाइट हो तो वो बढ़िया रहेगा. लाइक फर्स्ट पेज पे ही जैसे भी इंटरव्यूअर आपका रिज्यूमे देखे तो आप जो दिखाना चाहते हैं वो फर्स्ट पेज पे ही दिख जाए तो वो बढ़िया है. मैं तो यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो आप दिखाना चाहते हो वो फर्स्ट पेज पे ही दिख जाए तो वो ग्रेट है. और रिज्यूमे के लिए मेजरली एक्चुअली वो एक पेज में सारा जो लाइक बहुत लेंथी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. मेन स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स ही लिखने चाहिए. एंड यू कैन जस्टिफाई व्हाट यू हैव रिटन.
राइट. मींस जयदीप जस्ट वांट टू से कि जो भी रिज्यूमे है आपका, कीप इट शॉर्ट एंड प्रिसाइज बट वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव. whatever you have done, whatever you have achieved, mention all those things on the front page only. ज़्यादा बड़ा resume बनाना is not good, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Keep it one page.
Again, a very good important tip that you shared with us, Jaideep. So it's a really great talking to you about all this information. Jaideep, I just want to have one doubt with me कि बहुत सारे candidates हैं, those are preparing for Infosys company. Okay, and they if they belong to non-CSIT, see CSIT के लिए it's not very much difficult to crack an interview because they have so many they have prepared all learned all those things during engineering. Okay, so अगर आप नॉन आईटी के हैं, बिकॉज आपसे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन ज्यादा नहीं हुए, सो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बिकॉज आप नॉन सीएसआईटी हैं इसलिए आपको टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन ज्यादा नहीं हुए, या आपने अपने रिज्यूमे में सिर्फ सी मेंशन किया था इसलिए?
एक्चुअली मैम मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they did not they are not asking many questions to technical portion for non CSIT student.
Right.
So you did not have to worry about that. If your technical in C or C++ is not so good, so that is not an issue completely. You just have to confident, and your way of communication should be very good. And for technical questions, I prepared like मैंने भी ऐसे ही प्रिपरेशन की थी कि लाइक जो गूगल पे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस सेपरेट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस की लिस्ट आती है, तो मैंने वो ही रिफर किया था कि सेपरेट क्वेश्चन सेपरेट आंसर, एंड आई रेड ऑल दैट एंड मेमोराइज इट. So that
most of the candidates have they are really worried about this thing. We are not belonging to CSIT branch and we are applying for an IT company. So during interview, if we'll have to face any technical questions. So guys, don't worry. As Jaideep yahi keh rahe hain aapse, and I have already shared so many interview experiences with you related to system engineer profile of Infosys company and all other IT companies. During interview, they are not expecting much from you, especially technical knowledge. Okay, they just want that you should have good confidence level, you should have good communication skills, and you are ready to learn. Okay, that's what an HR want to see in a candidate. If the candidate is really have interest in IT industry, they have interest and they are really ready to learn all those things, because training आपको मिलेगा, and as you all know Infosys का training बहुत अच्छा होता है. So guys, आपको उसके लिए prepare करना है. Don't worry about that thing. आप online test क्रैक कीजिए. ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू जैसा जयदीप से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं हुए थे टेक्निकल के, एंड अगर आप भी नॉन सीएसआईटी हैं, किसी नॉन सीएसआईटी ब्रांच को बिलोंग करते हैं, जस्ट मेंशन ऑल दोस थिंग्स इन योर रेज्यूमे जो आपको आती है. ओके, जिनका आपको अच्छा नॉलेज है बस वही मेंशन कीजिए. दैट्स इट, नॉट अ बिग डील. So ये था इनका interview experience. Very nice talking to you, Jaideep. Anything else if you want to share with us?
Ma'am, one more thing I want to say about this. If you do not know any answer, then don't bluff. Just say I don't know the answer. I will definitely work on it. And after that, just look the brief about the company, what company actually works, how it works.
Right.
So it benefit you. Yes.
And this is very important.
Means yes. Means आपको company के बारे में brief introduction prepare करना है.
Right, because as I told you always in my preparation videos कि for whatever company, I'm not telling about only Infosys. आप जिस भी company के लिए जा रहे हैं guys, at least research something about that company. जो basic उनके domain है, वो किस domain में work करती हैं, किन projects पे work कर रही हैं, क्या history रहा है उस company का, overview आप लेकर जाइए. If you want, मैंने अपने चैनल पर कंप्लीट लिस्ट बनाया हुआ है सभी कंपनीज का, एसेंचर का, इन्फोसिस का, माइंडट्री का, टीसीएस का, कंपनी ओवरव्यू आपको मिल जाएगा, डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कंपनी, उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स, उनकी क्या कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस है, सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा उन वीडियोस में. आप चाहें तो आप एक बार चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू आउट एक्चुअली.
One more thing I want to tell that on based of my project I got prize money of 50,000 rupees from Infosys CEO, and now I am working in Infosys, so it is dream for me.
Okay, great. ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात बताई है आपने. So थोड़ा सा अपना प्रोजेक्ट भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Please brief about your project.
Actually, ma'am, it is the project name is Auto Recloser ELCB. So whenever any fault occurs in our system, it is of single phase. The project is of single phase only. So whenever any fault occurs in a system, so all the supply keeps off. So we have to turn it manually. Okay. But in our project, it is totally automatic based. So when the fault clears, it turns on automatically with the help of Auto Recloser ELCB. The relay circuit breakers all we have included in our project, and the for small supply injection we have used a transformer for that. So that is very
great. Yes. So guys, as you can see, Jaideep ने काफी अच्छा पॉइंट यहाँ पर बताया है कि उनके प्रोजेक्ट पर उन्हें ऑलरेडी प्राइज मनी मिल चुका है इन्फोसिस से, एंड नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू बी एन एम्प्लॉय ऑफ इन्फोसिस कंपनी. सो दैट्स ग्रेट Jaideep, congratulations for that. And all of you, please prepare projects also, major projects, minor projects that will really help you out during your interview and during your selection process. Okay, so it's a really great having Jaideep on our channel, and very recently on 21st of June he is joining Infosys company for and आपका document uploading वगैरह हो गया है Jaideep?
Yes ma'am, I majorly uploaded all the documents. Still 1 or 2 documents are left.
Okay, अच्छा. One एक comment आया था मेरे पास Jaideep, मेरे comment section में actually candidates used to ask queries. क्या passport mandatory है Infosys में?
No ma'am, after date of joining you can apply for that, and that is not an issue.
That is not mandatory before joining, right? You don't have to submit the passport before joining.
Actually आप अभी today itself भी apply करते हो तो उसका date of application और application number आ ही जाता है, तो आप वो fill करके भी submit कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, right. Because students used to have queries ना, they ask me in the comment box. So I used to reply each and every candidate, but मैं अभी यहाँ पर ये point इसलिए share कर रही हूँ कि और भी किसी candidate को ये problem हो. So guys, passport is not mandatory before joining. You can give them your application number and date of application. No problem with that. Okay. So it's very nice to have you on our channel. Anything else? Anything you want to tell our viewers, our subscribers?
The last thing I want to tell is, if interviewer asks that, do you have any questions for us? So please ask questions.
Okay.
And study about the company, and means ask relevant question to them. That will really impact your.
Good impression.
They really boost your impression. Yes, exactly.
Right. So nice. चलिए, very nice. So Jaideep, thank you so much that कि आप channel पर आए and you shared so valuable information with us. I'm sure guys इस video से आप सभी को बहुत help होगी. You all get all the points that Jaideep has shared with us. Please prepare accordingly. and do prepare. अगर आप किसी और branch के भी हैं, don't worry, get motivation from this video because I'm sharing all these different branches interview experiences with you all, so that आपको motivation मिले कि आप किसी भी branch को belong करते हैं, but if you have that thing in yourself that you want to crack any company, you can crack it. It's not that much difficult. So please guys prepare nicely. And Jaideep, congratulations for your joining with Infosys company and all the best for your career. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So guys, please do subscribe to the channel for all very useful and informative videos from my side related to interview experiences of Infosys company, Accenture company, HCL company, and so many different MNC companies. These videos will really going to give you motivation and the useful information from the selected candidate side. Okay. So we'll meet in another video with the next update. Thank you.